Trust Wallet versus Coinbase. Which is better? When choosing a crypto wallet, it's essential to understand what each offers and which suits your needs. Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet designed for users who want full control of their private keys and access to a vast range of tokens and decentralized apps. dApps. It supports over 4.5 million assets across 65 blockchains, making it ideal for advanced users and DeFi enthusiasts. Trust Wallet is completely free to use with no sign-up required and offers staking options for passive income. Its mobile app prioritizes simplicity and security, but it lacks direct customer support, which can be a drawback for beginners. Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is an extension of the Coinbase ecosystem, but operates as a standalone decentralized wallet. It's beginner-friendly, with an intuitive interface and strong integration with the Coinbase exchange. This makes it an excellent choice for new users entering the crypto space. Coinbase Wallet supports NFTs, a broad range of ERC20 tokens, and select blockchains, though it doesn't offer for the same multi-chain breadth as Trust Wallet. Its key advantage is customer support and seamless onboarding through the Coinbase exchange, making it easier for users to buy, transfer, and manage their assets. However, some features like staking require you to transfer assets back to the Coinbase exchange. So, which is better? If you value decentralization, multi-chain support, and dApp access, Trust Wallet is the better choice. It's perfect for users who prioritize self-custody and advanced features. But if ease of use, customer support, and a smooth entry into crypto are more important to you, Coinbase Wallet stands out. Both wallets are secure and reliable, but your decision ultimately depends on whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced user. Trust Wallet thrives on versatility and control, while Coinbase Wallet shines in accessibility and support. Choose based on your priorities, and you'll have a wallet that meets your needs perfectly.